Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to do the reverse Obi-Ani spin. Now the reverse Obi-Ani spin is a lot like the one I showed you in the other video, which is the actual Obi-Ani spin. It goes something like this. So this time you're just going over through your armpit and spin again. Also today I'm using Obi-Wan's lightsaber from episode 4 when he fought Anakin. You could get one just like this by using my coupon code called Kyber10 on your checkout for 10% off your first order. Alright, so how you do the reverse Obi-Ani spin is basically you're going to want to extend your arm straight out here, probably at a good 90-degree angle. And by the way, I'm using a 36-inch saber, so if you're going to use anything shorter than this one, it's probably going to be easier for you. But first, you're going to want to extend your arm straight out and do a in curling motion. Just an in curling motion if you want to, or out curling motion. But after that, you're going to want to go like this, right in front of your face, so the blade's going straight down your body. And after that, you tuck it into your elbow, or you tuck it into your armpit. What? Elbow? Wow. You tuck it into your elbow, and I know it's not supposed to be touching right here, but once you get really fluent in it, it won't touch, and you just glide right down here and swipe up like this. This is how it would kind of look in the back. So you twirl like this or twirl like that, but you're going to have to end up going like this, straight down to your back and out, just like that. So an in motion, twirl on your back, and then go out. And sometimes you could just practice. I mean, I don't know where the camera is right now, but I don't even know if you could see me, but you could just twirl like this and just practice. Right here, just swipe down, just like that. You keep practicing it, no matter what. Sometimes you could hit your back right here and you don't want that to happen, but you just got to be really careful and you got to keep practicing, and then soon you can just swipe it just like that. Now, when you have your arm straightened out like this, you're going to want to twirl it, and some people get confused by when I say twirl it. So you're basically going to hold it out like this with your index finger and your thumb curled around it, and then you're going to move down. Your hand's going to stretch out like that, and then swing it back up. So when you, 2 fingers out, you switch it down, and then when it's at the end right here, you kind of use your thumb to push it back up. So in a forward motion like that, you could also go behind. It's basically the same exact thing when you go behind it. It's just the opposite. So you could go forward and back. Just make sure that at the bottom, your hand's fully stretched out, and you just pull it back up. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.